Hello there, Amanda. It's David here. Very quick video. This is what I do on my website, which is the Weebly website. And you can see here I can construct and add things by picking up something called an embed code. I drop that into my web page. So whatever web page you're using, I can just drop that in. Okay, if I click on that, it will ask me to add a code. Where do I get the code from? I go to Prezi, open up or edit, whatever I need to do. Click on that, the first button will come open, I believe, hopefully. Give it a couple of seconds, sorry. Hope you're well. Thank you so much again for the weekend. It was amazing. Knackered I am, after a long week. Here you go. Is that Prezi going to allow me to do it straight away? No, I didn't want that one. Where's my share button? I can do it here. There's another way around. If I click there, I can put share Prezi. Okay. What I wanted here though was something called an embed code. Oh, come back out. Excuse this. Let's go back out again. Don't press edit when you go into the first page. Try again. That's it. Oh, finally got there. What we want is get to this page here, the initial page where it says an embed button at the bottom there. I click on the embed button. It gives me a code. Depending on the size you want it on the page, you can change the width. You have to do a bit of messing around on this, and I'll show you how to do that when you get it. I can change around the width and height of it. I'm going to copy the code, copy it automatically. I go back to my website page where it said custom. I'm going to paste the code in. Okay. You see here, if I want to ever make it higher or wider, I can change just those digits in between those speech marks. Well, let's just click off the page now, and automatically will appear the presentation I want. Okay, easy as that. Take care. Bye-bye.